As I look back on the mission that we've had here on the International Space Station, I'm proud to have been a part of much of the science activities that happened over the last 2 months.
The view is always amazing, though.
I didn't think I would do another spacewalk, and to now have the chance to have done 4 more was just icing on the cake for a wonderful mission.
Does the 10th one feel like the first one? No, a little more comfortable on the 10th one.
It's hard to put into words just what it was like to be a part of this expedition, Expedition 63. It'll be kind of a memory that will last a lifetime for me. It's been a true honor.
Dragon SpaceX, undock sequence commanded.
Thrusters looking good.
The hardest part was getting us launched, but the most important part is bringing us home.
Rise and shine, Daddy, we love you. Hurry home so we can go get my dog.
Splashdown.
Welcome back to planet Earth, and thanks for flying SpaceX.
It was truly our honor and privilege.
Space Dads are back on Earth after a 19-hour return journey from space.